Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I received this gift hamper from my viewer. Let's open it. What is inside it? These are dispensing nozzles. Hydracoat EGC UV 4% conformal coating. Dispenser Tacky Flux. V5A005. V4E005, YHF005, SRA005, TF-SV3-010, TF-V4F-010. I am thankful for my viewer who sent me this gift. I am thankful from my side and from behalf of my viewers for sending this valuable gift. I will use these items in my upcoming sessions. We will see the specifications, uses and quality. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.